Welcome everybody to your trading tip of the day, and the question on our lips today is, should we short Apple? With the Nasdaq sold off tremendously, tech stocks under real pressure to the downside, and we look at Apple and see a day which pushed us back towards this $92 level, which is a pivot low that we're keeping an eye on, that we hit at the end of January. We also can look back to August for this particularly unusual bar here we see on all three charts. But really we've got to go all the way back to July 2014 to see a level below 92 of any significance. So really that pivot low that we've got there on the daily chart could be our reference point. Before you get excited and start pushing those put buttons, just take note of this. We are likely to hit red volume on both the daily and the weekly, but bearing in mind we haven't got two red bars. We had green bars on the last 2 weeks, surprisingly enough. So if we look at the S&P 500, of course, we'll see the S&P 500 at around about 1880 pre-market. Will look as though we're going to drop off 1% on open, but it is looking slightly better than it was an hour or so ago. But nevertheless, there seems to be some selling pressure still around. Wouldn't be trading anything in that first hour. Let's see what the next market move is. Apple could be on your radar if it should get slammed tonight and go below 92. But to me, I would rather wait, see what happens. If it doesn't break that, there's every chance it could remain within this range. So more likely we're looking at a 90, 95, 100 butterfly trade for later in the week, depending on what happens. I hope that's useful. And that's just one of the trades I'm considering for today. So before we go, if you'd like to see everything I'm considering and see the trades I'm really taking, why not take a trial to my Options Elite alert and trading service? That way, you can see exactly how I find the best trades that can produce the largest returns whilst keeping the risk low. Just click on the link below and get started today. You'll be glad you did. See you soon.